Oh. What's up, guys? I dropped my Luna. I pulled a Chris meets Chris and I dropped it, and I lost one of the little legs to it. So now I need to figure out like a tripod situation. I would say like one of the biggest things that I just don't like about the Luna is the little tripod legs. And I mean, I dropped it from like the corner over here. I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest. I think I went to like put it down, and it just fell. It fell. So I just turned on tracking mode too, so that way I don't have to be like controlling the joystick, even though it's good practice. So I just wanted to make a little video with the Luna and just kind of show you guys like how I'm using it. I've got about 30 minutes until I have a work call. I am on a wide angle lens with a diffusion mist filter on there, so it's stacked. These are the lenses that came with the Luna. I'm on the Leica Vivid profile and negative 0.3 exposure value, everything else all auto. That's for all the nerdy vloggers out there, all the spec lovers. But we're gonna make a video. We're gonna make a video and we're gonna enjoy ourselves and just play with these cameras and tell a story. Yeah, I mean, also it's just a really good excuse for me to like have coffee and use my mocha pot. So this is my favorite little single serving coffee. Also, you could almost say that this video is like almost sponsored by Port Leisure. There is an Instagrammer, and he is a film photographer, and he started a lifestyle brand called Port Leisure. His name is Daniel Scott, and he goes by Gosh Damn, like Dan on Instagram. I'll post it here. Really cool dude. Been following him for a long time. He was starting this brand, giving away hats, and this is when I was doing my running thing, and I pitched myself to him as like one of the 10 people he should choose, and he sent me 2 hats. This is one of them, super fly. Love this thing. It's got the little zebra print. And then he also sent this, because he's really into like latte art. So he sent, let me see if I can get the tracking on here. Here we go. This is all live for you guys. So I'm gonna go to 3x zoom. Look at that. He sent this, which is super dope, and it's got his logo on there, Port Leisure. Also, it's just really nice, like single serve. Cool, huh? Okay, so I like this shot too. That's the update, guys. That's the update. Also, we're on the Mic Pro this time. I know that the monitor has its own beautiful internal recording, but I wanted to try the Mic Pro with this. And the only thing is I really love this camera, because if you do use the monitor, it takes away from you looking at the screen, right? We all get caught up in like looking at the screen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this around. I'm gonna do that. I'm not looking at the screen at all. Now I can actually focus on you guys. You know that I'm connecting with you. We have the Broken English Taco Pub mural on our microphone today, just to add a little ambiguity, a little color, and a little, you know, wildness, I guess. But that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are enjoying the Luna Ultra Insta360 stuff. I bought this camera. This is the one camera from Insta360 that I purchased myself because I always wanted a pocket camera. And it just works out. And I'm really loving it. I'm loving it for all its like vlogging vibes, all its cinematic vibes, and yeah, this is the perfect camera for an everyday vlogger who doesn't mind like wanting to dip their toes into more set up cinematic shots. But if you absolutely need to be on the go, whether you're running, whether you are wanting to put the tracking mode and talk on the mic, or filming sports, or filming really anything, this camera is literally all in one, man. There's not much more to say. You can do a lot of things with this camera. There's a lot of pieces to the puzzle, but it's a fun puzzle, and that's why I love this camera. So if that's you, if that's something you're into, and you really want like crispy shots without having to do much of anything in post, it just takes a little bit more planning. Or if you're the run and gun type and you just want to vlog with some really sharp, beautiful images, this is that camera. So Luna Ultra, all-in-one beauty. It's the all-in-one beauty. All right, let's go. Let's make some coffee.